All right, let's jump right into one of the hottest, most powerful fields in the entire world right now, AI and data science. Seriously, if you've just wrapped up your intermediate exams and you're kind of scratching your head wondering, what's next for me? Well, this is for you. We've built a roadmap to guide you.
Does this look familiar? I bet it does. It's that huge question every student faces. You've put in the work, you've aced your exams, and suddenly you're standing at this massive crossroads. But the good news? The really good news is that choosing a path with unbelievable potential might be way easier than you think.
So, let's talk about these big words you hear everywhere, AI and data science. They sound super complicated, right? But they're not. Let's pull back the curtain because once you get it, you'll see they're basically the engine running our entire digital world.
Let's break it down really simply. Think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as teaching a machine to think and learn, kind of like a human does. Now, data science, that's all about digging into massive piles of information to find patterns and make really smart decisions based on what you find. So here's the key takeaway. AI makes things smart, and data science gives them the knowledge they need to be smart. And you know what? This isn't some far-off sci-fi stuff. You are literally using it every single day. When you ask ChatGPT a question, that's AI. When YouTube somehow knows the perfect video to show you next, or when Daraz and Foodpanda show you exactly what you were thinking about buying or eating, yep, that's the magic of AI and data science working together.
Okay, so the tech is cool, for sure. But what does that mean for you, for your career? This is where it gets really exciting, because getting into this field isn't just about landing a job, it's about grabbing a ticket to a future-proof career that companies all over the world are desperate for.
Look at this number, 40%. According to the World Economic Forum, that's how much jobs in AI and data science are expected to grow by 2030. That's not just growth, that is a flat-out explosion of opportunity.
And what about the money? Well, the potential is just as massive. Just look at these figures. As a fresh graduate here in Pakistan, you could be starting at around 120,000 rupees a month. Get about 5 years of experience under your belt, and that number can shoot past 300,000. And if you decide to go abroad, you're looking at an average of around 100,000 US dollars a year. The growth is just incredible. And this demand is everywhere. It is truly global. You've got the tech giants in Silicon Valley in the US, major AI hubs popping up in Canada, Germany's advanced industrial sector, even the UAE and Saudi Arabia are pouring billions into this space. The point is, AI skills give you global career security. You can work from anywhere for anyone. So the big question. How do you get there? It can feel like this huge, impossible mountain to climb, but it's not. You can actually break it down into a really clear step-by-step path. So let's walk through it, starting from exactly where you are right now.
Here it is, your roadmap. Step 1 is the foundation you're building right now, your FSE in pre-engineering or ICS. Next up, you get a bachelor's degree in a field like computer science or AI. Now, while you're studying, and this is important, you start building real practical skills. Later, maybe you'll specialize with a master's. And then finally, you step into your career, either with a great job or even through freelancing. See, it's a clear path.
And for that all-important degree, Pakistan has some absolutely world-class universities. Schools like FAST and NUST are famous for their amazing computer science programs. And then you have LUMS and ITU Lahore, which are also top-tier choices. Any of these will give you the solid foundation you need.
Okay, listen up, because this part is crucial. Your degree gets your foot in the door, but it's your skills that will make you a superstar. I'm talking about getting your hands on the actual tools that companies are using right now. The languages, the frameworks, all of it.
So what's in this essential toolkit? Well, for programming, Python is king. You just have to learn it. And SQL is a must for working with data. Then for actually building AI models, the industry runs on 2 main frameworks, TensorFlow and PyTorch. And finally, to show off what you found, you need to master data tools like Power BI or Tableau.
All right, so you've got the degree, you're learning the skills. Now what? How do you go from being just another graduate to being the one everyone wants to hire? This is the secret sauce, the practical advice that will absolutely set you apart. First, please, don't just rely on your degree. You have to build things, create a portfolio of your own projects. It can be something simple to start. Next, get real experience as early as you can by freelancing. It teaches you so much and gives you global exposure. And last, but maybe most importantly,
You have to promise me you will never ever stop learning. This field changes so fast, and staying curious is the absolute key to success.
Wow, we've covered a lot, right? What AI is, the incredible opportunity, the step-by-step plan, and the secrets to standing out. But if there's one thing you take away from all this, it's that the power to build this amazing future for yourself is in your hands, and it starts today.
Just let that sink in. The choice you make right now, after intermediate, has the power to define your entire life. And choosing a field like AI and data science isn't just about picking a major, it's about stepping onto a global stage where the possibilities are, quite literally, limitless. Your future is waiting for you. It really does start now.